Good morning, everyone. I hope that you are doing well. I wanted to take this time to discuss an update that has been made to the syllabus. It is on the announcements page, and I do have it showing here. It states students are allowed to prepare their dialogues and use notes when recording them. However, 50% of their grade will automatically be taken off if they read or sound like they are reading. Oral dialogues that do not meet this criteria will be given half credit. The oral exercises are to be completed each week by Sunday at 11:59 p.m. And I wanted to discuss this a little bit further with you guys. It's not that we, as instructors, don't want you to prepare for the dialogues, or that we feel like you should have a completely spontaneous conversation out of nowhere. But in order to better your skills in conversation, you guys actually have to have like a conversation. So in that case, what we're trying to do is better your speaking skills, better your conversational skills. And that's kind of hard to do if you are preparing everything that you say and then reading off of a script. It's not to say that you can't have bullet points of things that you want to mention, important vocabulary, maybe the translations of words that are new to you. That's definitely acceptable, but it shouldn't sound like a script is basically what we're trying to say. And in this case, it's easier for me to help you guys better your speaking skills if I can hear how you speak in a natural, flowing conversation. So this helps me be able to detect maybe any differences in verb tenses, things that need to be addressing, maybe issues with prepositions or gender and number, so that way that I can help you guys with your speaking and you can get better in that capacity. Because we do have the compositions, and those are to help improve your writing. And then we do have the presentations, so that's kind of more of like a formal way of speaking. But this, the oral partner dialogues, is supposed to help you in kind of like your everyday conversational abilities. Okay, so please keep that in mind as we move forward with the partner dialogues. I did as well post this previously about some feedback for you guys, especially about the time limit. Make sure that you're doing 3 minutes per dialogue, so a total of 6 minutes per week. Okay, and I do want to go ahead and see what is going to be due for this upcoming week as far as the partner dialogue. So it looks like La Mañana de Esperanza and Opiniones. And now we have moved on to Lección 2. Okay, so let's go to content activities and see what is going to be due as far as the partner dialogues for this week. I think it was in Estructuras. And okay, so we've already done the 211. Maybe it was preterite versus imperfect. We do 218, La Mañana de Esperanza, right? So Esperanza's morning. So this is going to be one of the partner chats that are due this upcoming week. Okay. Primero observen los dibujos, después comenten lo que le pasó a Esperanza después de abrir la puerta de su casa. Digan qué sucedió a cada hora. Utilicen el pretérito y el imperfecto en la narración. Okay, so this is important. You do have to use preterite and imperfect. What happened at each hour, so you'll be talking about time, preterite, and imperfect, so that can help you get some practice differentiating between the two. Okay, so that's what you guys are going to be doing for the partner dialogues for this week. This is one of them. So let me see if I can. Okay, I don't know why it's not working. Oh, stop plugin. It'll go down for us and see what the pictures are. Okay, well, it won't let me look at the pictures right now, but this is what you guys have for one of the partner dialogues. Let's go ahead and check out the other one. And that one I think was in Cultura. Okay, so the next one is found under Cultura, Opiniones, which is going to be due on the 18th. Opiniones. So let's check out this one. Okay. Contesten las preguntas. Okay, so this one is a little bit more general. It doesn't necessarily have the same instructions as the other ones, as the other dialogue where it says specifically you're going to be talking about time, you're going to be talking about preterite and imperfect. This one just wants you guys to answer the questions that are found here. So that's going to be what's due for the partner dialogues, as well as the regular VHL activities for the week. That's what we have due. If we go to content on our D2L page, we can see what else is going to be due for these upcoming weeks. We are in Module 2, so this week we are going to be having the oral presentations for your peer feedback. We're going to discuss those in just a moment. That'll be due this Sunday by midnight, and as well the regular VHL activities and the weekly dialogue. So let's go ahead and go to Module 2 and look at the peer review. Okay, so this will be done on VoiceThread. After posting your oral presentation in VoiceThread, provide feedback on your partner's presentation. Okay, it does say specifically in the instructions that you need to respond orally and in Spanish, okay, to 2 classmates' videos. 50% of your peer review grade will be taken off if you submit your feedback in written form. So let's go ahead and get that clear from the beginning, okay? One of the criteria for the peer review is to comment on your partner's dialogue. If your partner did not submit a presentation, just comment on somebody else's video, okay? You have to comment on 2 classmates' videos, but like I said, if your partner did not submit anything, it's okay to comment on somebody else's video. You just have to make sure that you do 2. Another thing that's really important about the oral presentations is that some of you did not submit it properly. So you uploaded it to VoiceThread, but you did not share it with the class. So if that has happened, then you need to make sure that you go in to what is shared with the class to see, has it been shared with the class or not? Because I cannot grade it if it has not been shared with the class, and I'm going to be doing those grades this week. Okay, so let's say we're going to comment on this video, this presentation. Here is where you can make a comment. You can either do it voice here, so record your voice, or you can record it with video, okay? So you record your comment either just the oral comment with no video, or you can do it with video. Those are your 2 options, okay? When you guys are responding to the peer review, the peer feedback. All right, so let's go ahead and see what else we have coming up in the next couple of weeks. Okay, once we start getting into Module 3, we are going to have our first composition. Okay, that won't be due until Sunday, March 4th, so we still have a few weeks before that. And then as well, the final draft, which will be due March 18th. Okay, so in March, we'll also have our midterm oral exams. So these are things that you guys need to be thinking about, keeping in the back of your mind. I will be doing some grading this week. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. But that is our basically announcements and reminders for this week. Please email me with any questions. Thank you.